Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a piece of motorcycle history that defined an entire subculture, the birth of the Street Fighter. And it all starts with one legendary bike released in 1984. You guessed it, the Suzuki GSX-R750. Buckle up, because we're taking a wild ride through time and torque. In 1984, at the IFMA motorcycle show in Cologne, Suzuki unveiled a true game changer, a bike that would soon take the world by storm, the GSX-R750. It was a machine ahead of its time with a double overhead cam, quad valve oil-cooled engine. Paired with Suzuki's innovative advanced cooling system, this wasn't just a bike, it was a beast on two wheels. So the GSX-R750 was a force to be reckoned with right out of the factory. But here's where things get really interesting. Enter the Street Fighter. Now, why would anyone take such an incredible bike and, well, chop it up? Well, it all starts with the riders. Some of them were, let's say, enthusiastic when it comes to pushing their bikes to the limit. They take these bikes, absolutely thrash them, and maybe not take the best care of them. No marshals, no medical team on standby, just a rider and their bike and a need for speed. But here's the thing, sometimes you just can't outride your bike. When these guys pushed the GSX-R750 too hard, they found out themselves facing the consequences. So, what do you do when you've wrecked a perfectly good sports bike? You build a Street Fighter, of course. And that's where the iconic Street Fighter came to life. The GSX-R750, once a high-performance road bike, was transformed into a stripped-down, no-nonsense machine built for riders who lived on the edge. No fairings, no extra weight, just raw power and style. If you're enjoying the show today, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel grow and helps to inspire us all to write new videos. Thank you very much. Back to the story of the Street Fighter. So why would anyone want to chop up a well-built and fast road bike like the GSX-R750? Well, it's not about disrespecting the bike. It's about adapting it to a new lifestyle. It's about showing that you've been through the grind and that you're still pushing the boundaries. So here's our conclusion. That, my friends, is the story of how the GSX-R750 became a cornerstone of the Street Fighter culture. What started as a high-tech speed machine quickly became a symbol of rebellion, modification, and the thrill of motorcycle culture. It's crazy to think that some of the most iconic Street Fighters out there are the results of riders simply getting out, ridden by their own bikes. But hey, that's what makes the culture so interesting, right? Let me know what you think down in the comments. Have you ever owned or ridden a Street Fighter? What's your favourite modified bike? And of course, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more deep dives into motorcycle history and culture. Until next time, my friends, ride safe, keep rubber side down. Thanks for watching.